Yes, so please pick a number of your
From Paniki,
judge
Tarlac,
here.
Yeng La Vitoria. She's also a teacher.
Okay. You pick judge number.
Ayun siya. Siya si Judge number 4.
Judge number 4, please.
Good evening po, madam. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa Q&A nila? Do gender pronouns matter or why or why? Come again, madam. Do gender pronouns matter? I mean, these or why or why not? Okay, the question that was given to me is, do gender pronouns matter? Why or why not? Let me go directly to my answer. Ladies and gentlemen, in the term of pronouns, this is what we call his, her, what, they, or them. In the means of actually the coronavirus, a lot of people would love to be pronouns as they, them because of boredom. However, here in the Philippines, let's always take in mind that it actually truly matters, especially to me as a transgender teacher. Why? Because then and there, my students would not know whether to address me as sir or ma'am. Kung dadaan nga po ba ako sa isang eskwelahan at magtuturo, ano po ba itatawag sa akin ng mga estudyante? Ma'am Yeng o Ma'am Sir? Then definitely, ladies and gentlemen, for me, it does matter. It always just depends on how you stand as an individual. That's why we have what we call the sexual orientation, meaning as to how you present yourself. That is who and what you are. You are presenting yourself as a woman, then you deserve the recognition as a woman. Let's always take in mind that womanhood is only just an umbrella term. Hindi mo kailangan manganak, hindi mo kailangan ng ovary. Just only know how to present, how to respect, and how to become a woman. Then you deserve the pronoun of she at babae ka sa mata nila. Dapat po natin pakatatandaan, mga kaibigan, na dapat po natin turuan ang ating mga estudyante kung paano respeto at yakapin ang pagkakaiba ng bawat isa. Dahil sila po ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa. At kung alam nilang tumanggap ng pagkakaiba, then diversification is no longer a problem here in the Philippines. And equality can be acquired. Let's always take in mind the saying that goes, let's not wait for the earthquake of change. Let's shake the world with change in ourselves, and the world will tremble and follow. Thank you.
All right, very well. Thank you so much.